Hey guys, what up? Everybody keeps asking me about my excavators, where I get them from. Truth be told, I actually resell these things. All right, I order them from they're straight from the factory. I don't order them off of the AliExpress and Banggood and freaking all those other resale sites, because you know what? They charge too much, man. Like, they charge way too much. Me and my boy Jimmy out of China, yeah, he hooks me up. He hooks me up with these at a wicked price. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what this one's all about. This one right here is the electric version model Volvo. Let's turn it on here for you. All right. So this side opens up for more expansion. It's pretty awesome. Whoa, almost took an eye out. Yeah, so like I said, this is the electric model Volvo. Nothing but servos and motors and planetariums and all that shit inside of it. Pretty cool stuff. If you want one, check out my website in the bio, MaxLimitRcs.ca. I could get you guys hooked up with these, no problem. Anywhere in North America, it'll ship within 10 business days max. Not even that long, like straight up. When I ordered mine, I received it like 4 days later. It's pretty awesome. All right, boys, girls, peace out.